How you guys doing today? So in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple strategy with the 3 EMAs. Actually in this video we're going to be using one EMA, yeah, with a volatility oscillator. One of the most important things when trading is the volume in the market, and we only want to be trading when there's enough volume. All right, so we can avoid getting trapped in ranges and just slow market conditions, right? So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a very simple tool that you can use in combination with your EMA to profit from the market. So it is called the volatility oscillator. You can find it on the indicators tab by Verifid, as you can see there. Cool. Now let me show you guys how it works. So as always, as you know how the EMA works, whenever price is above the EMA, you want to look for buys. Whenever price is below the EMA, look for an example like such, you want to look for sells, right? So in this case, we're gonna try looking for buys based on our volatility oscillator. So as you can see right here, whenever price pulls back, we've got an uptrend, right? Whenever price pulls back, like here, whenever price pulls back, it often leaves a dip in the market. So whenever price pulls back in the market and it breaks out of the band, as you can see here, it's sort of like it just indicates that there is a lot of volume in the market. All right, when it dips like this and breaks out of the band, that means there's a lot of volume in the market. Now that is a sign for you to get inside the market. See, it broke out, came back in. That was a sign for you to buy in the market. Take your profit above the highs. Let me give you more examples. All right. So whenever price dips, whenever price dips like this, that means there isn't enough volume. All right. Even though it broke out of the band, there isn't enough volume. You want to wait for at least a decent breakout like this. All right. Like this, and like this. Cool. So this is another example right here. As you can see, price broke out of the band, pulled back. That was a chance for you to get in. As long as it is above the EMA, it is a valid entry. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then when you're looking for sells, I'll give you an example. When you're looking for sells, you want to wait for price to break out of the band upwards. Like you can see, there were no signals here. Let me look for sells. Okay, this is a very trendy pair. Let's look for another pair. Let's see. All right, this is another example. As you can see, price is below our EMA. You need to look for a breakout. There hasn't been any breakout. There's been a breakout here. This is a decent breakout. Not gonna lie, it's a decent breakout. And when price breaks out, you want to look for a red candle or like an engulfing candle or a candlestick confirmation. This was going to be your chance to get in right here. Stop loss beneath this high and just place your target, right? Now this is another breakout right here, another candlestick rejection. That's going to be another trade taken. So it is a very simple 1, 2, 3 strategy. Make sure to try it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, man, I'll see you in the next video.